Welcome back to another amazing video of PC Deli. Not gaming, PC Deli stranded. You know it. Okay. Oh, PC Deli late stranded. I don't know what one. Just call it something. Okay, so we have Animal Crossings, but show me the picture in real life with the fish. Okay, so I don't know what this fish is called, but he is cute. Cruising Cup. You know, he's not so big. He's not legal to have as in a tank. A days. Did you know there was even a fish about that? I didn't know that. Cop. She's not always. I remember you. Koi. Everyone loves a koi. You can have him as a pet in a backyard. In your backyard. A goldfish. It's kind of cool actually. I like it. Pop-dye goldfish. Spooky. Spooky. Killifish. He's not poisonous. I bet he's not poisonous. I was making a joke. But I bet he's not poisonous. A crayfish. He's a mini lobster. That's what he is. A soft hold turtle. You can't actually hold him up because he's too big and he'll weigh like 100 pounds or something. I know that. Snapping turtle. Ooh, that's illegal to have as a pet. He will bite your finger off, or he can bite your whole hand off. That's why he's called a snapping turtle. A tadpole. It's a baby frog. Come on, you gotta love him. He's a baby frog. A frog. He's kind of cool. There's a lot to show you. 79. So I might actually do a part 2 because it's going to be less. It's going to be too long. Freshwater goby. He's kind of like old goby fish. He's an old goby fish. It looks like it. A roach. Ooh, it looks like he got a grapple gun. Don't worry, a grapple gun actually gets you to another place. How about catfish? Do you know why they call him a catfish? It's because he got whiskers on his mouth like a cat. Giant snake head. Wait, he's pretty cool. I think you can go visit one in an aquarium with this dumb coronavirus is over. A bluegill. He is already dead, so don't worry. It's because that would be impossible if he's alive. A yellow perch. He's big, and that's my dad's favorite fish, but he's so big. He's not so big as an oarfish. Oarfish is like huge. It's like 1,000 cut tablespoons. That's a lot. Sorry for making it go off the screen, bro. Largemouth bass. A largemouth bass is actually a black bass, and you can actually catch him in the river. He's actually in the river, so you can catch him in the river, whatever, something like that, whatever. Okay, how about we get I can't read it, but it's pretty cool. Peak? I don't know. That's just silly. Pond smelt. That's a pond anchovy. Yeah. Wet fish is rat even. Chili salmon. Okay, I love this fish. He's a lot cool than I thought he will be. But can't catch him for real life because he's located in River Cliff Top. You can't actually catch him. Char. It's a real fish to say actually because you don't say it that much. And it's pretty cool. The golden trout. Wait, what? Golden trout? Why am I even saying that? A stringfish? Okay, so, many people have catched them back in March. He comes back out in December, so be ready when he's here in December. A salmon! Look at him! He's jumping out of the water! A king salmon! Oh my gosh! Why? I just said a king salmon. A mitten crab! Oh, I think you can have him as a pet. Do you know why he's called mitten crab? Because he got fuzzy close to his claws, so that's why he's called mitten crab. Let's say a guppy. Guppy. He's so cute. A nibblefish. Ooh, they look cool. Angelfish. I don't know why you call it angelfish, though. That's pretty silly, but yeah, it is. A pizza. If you actually just want to catch that, just do that. Just head on over to a Betta. It's weird. Can you even hear me? Is my voice going through here? I think so. Tetra. He's actually pretty real fish to say. A rainbowfish. Oh my gosh, he's 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 a rainbowfish. Piranhafish. Can we move on already? Arowana. He looks like he got blood on the top. That's just a part of his body, actually. A lot of people think that's blood. Dorado. In Spanish, that means gold. So that means golden dorado. A gaw. We don't know where that came out of. Oh, this is the biggest fish in the river you will ever see. Shadow. I can't name it. Just call him Sadie. Okay. He's cute, actually. Saddie's cute. Butterflyfish. Can we move on already? This plankton. A seahorse. Everyone loves a seahorse. Okay, once this dumb coronavirus is over, how about you head to an aquarium and see a seahorse? Probably that would be good. A clownfish. Oh my gosh, rice field too, actually. That's crazy. A blue tang fish. That's crazy. Blue tang. Just call him blue tang for now. Butterflyfish. They're normally black, have black spots, but he's not having black spots right now. Oh my gosh, look how big that fish is. He's huge. I'm going to have to end it with a zebra lionfish because this is pretty going pretty good. So I'm gonna have to do. Wait, what? It keeps it wants me to go to the blowfish. A blowfish is a pufferfish, and pufferfish are poison, so don't catch them. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, part 2 of this. It's going to be pretty fun, I know that. Of course it's going to be pretty fun, because it's so, yeah. It's going to be, of course it's going to be fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.